If you're seeing the X or Twitter error 400 message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. Error 400 usually means the browser or app sent a bad request, and in most cases the issue is caused by corrupted cookies, cached files, a broken link, or even browser extensions interfering with X. The good news is that this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes without needing any technical experience. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets me know to make more videos just like this one. Alright, let's get straight into the fix. First, we're going to test X in an incognito or private window. This is one of the fastest ways to figure out whether the problem is related to your browser data. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner and choose New Incognito Window. If you're on Edge, choose New in Private Window. Once the private window opens, go to X and try signing in again. If X loads properly in incognito mode, that usually means the issue is with your normal browser session, and that's a strong sign that cookies or cached data are causing the error. If the problem is still there, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache. This is one of the most common solutions for error 400 because outdated or corrupted site data can stop X from loading correctly. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. That opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time so you remove everything that may be causing the issue. Then make sure you check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data. Once it finishes, close your browser completely, reopen it, and try X again. In many cases, this alone fixes the error right away. Now, if you still see the problem, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Sometimes ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or VPN extensions can interfere with how X loads pages and sends requests. To test this, click the extensions icon in your browser toolbar. Then turn off your extensions one by one. After disabling each one, refresh the X tab and see whether the error disappears. If one extension is causing the issue, you'll be able to identify it quickly. Once you find the problem extension, you can leave it disabled or remove it altogether if you don't need it. Another thing you should check is the URL itself. If you're trying to open a specific profile, post, or search page, make sure there are no strange symbols, missing characters, or extra parameters in the link. A broken or malformed URL can trigger error 400 because the server can't understand the request. If you want to test this properly, type a clean address like https://twitter.com or https://x.com directly into your browser and see if that loads normally. If the homepage opens but a specific link does not, then the problem may be with that exact URL, instead of your browser. If none of that works, the next fix is to flush your DNS cache. Sometimes your computer stores old network information that points X to the wrong location, and that can also lead to bad request errors. On Windows, click the Start menu and type CMD. Then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, restart your PC and try opening X again. This simple step can solve hidden network issues that the browser fixes don't catch. If you're using the mobile app instead of a browser, you can apply some of the same ideas too. Try force closing the app, clearing the app cache if your device allows it, checking your internet connection, and updating the app to the latest version. Sometimes logging out and logging back in can also clear out a temporary session problem. So to quickly recap, the best fixes for X or Twitter error 400 are: try an incognito or private window, clear cookies and cache, disable browser extensions, check the URL for mistakes, and flush your DNS cache if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get X working again. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, app tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having problems, leave a comment below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.